you will get a spacious living area where you can play. We have a kitchen that is very spacious where you can see this is a spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Ritz Life by Vikas Developers located in Kalyan. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office. This is the main road and the neighborhood of our project. And as you can see, we also have commercial spaces available in the project. Now, I will take you and show you the actual land parcel of our project. This is the actual land parcel of this project and these are the actual towers where you can see the construction is in full swing. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. So now we'll talk about the project overview, but first I would like to mention that the brand ambassador for Project Ritz Life is Sunil Shetty, and over here you can see a scale model of the swimming pool and the outdoor kids play area. Moving forward to the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 8 acres, having 6 towers, with G plus 27 floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and Jodi option is also available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities. Right now I'm standing at the clubhouse. This will be the reception of the clubhouse, and clubhouse has many amenities. I'll show you all the amenities that are ready for now in the clubhouse. This will be a spacious seating area. From this corner to the end, you will have sofas for your seating area, and over here we have the section of indoor games. As you can see, you have variety of games. Moving forward, over here we have the kids play area that you can see is very spacious and safe for kids to play. Right after that, over here we have the yoga hall, which is also very spacious. And right beside the yoga hall we have a spacious gym with all the ready equipments. We also have a library. Now come, let me take you to the library of this clubhouse. And this is a library space where you can see you have seating area where you can attend your official meetings, and that is also placed in a very creative way. We also have a swimming pool in this project, and also you have 20 plus many more amenities except from the clubhouse. You have amenities on both the sides of the clubhouse and many more amenities in this project. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on DB Chowk at New Khadakpada Road, Kalyan West. As you can see, that is DB Chowk and this is New Khadakpada Road located in Kalyan West, from where Kalyan railway station is only 10 minutes drive, upcoming metro station is only 500 meters away, D-Mart is only 5 to 7 minute drive, and Kalyan Shilfata Road is only 12 minutes drive. We also have Metro Junction Mall only at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and also school, colleges, hospital within 1 kilometer from the project. Also, if you want to know about more projects in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Ritz Life. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 726 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you will get a spacious living area where you can place your sofas, your center table, customize your TV unit, and this will be your dining corner where you can place a 4-people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. You will also get full French windows with a balcony provided. Moving forward, as you can see, this is the alley area that will have entrances to your bedroom, your common washroom and your kitchen. First, we have the common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And also you have storage space in the common washroom. Diagonally opposite to the common washroom, we have a kitchen that is very spacious where you will get 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You have storage space provided in the kitchen as well, and in this corner you can place your refrigerator, and you have space provided to place your washing machine, and also you will get full French windows with a dryer balcony in the kitchen. Moving forward, besides the kitchen, we have a first bedroom that is the common bedroom, which is very spacious to place your king size or queen size bed along with the side tables. You have wardrobe space provided that you can customize by your choice. You can customize your TV unit, and in the corner you can customize your study or your makeup corner. You will also get full French windows with a balcony in this bedroom. Opposite to a common bedroom, we have a first master bedroom that is very spacious to place your king and queen size bed. You can customize your makeup corner or study corner besides your bed and your TV unit right in front of it, and you also have wardrobe space provided that you can customize by your choice. And besides the wardrobe space, you will get full French windows for a beautiful view in this bedroom. And over here we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the last bedroom, that is a second master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see this is a spacious master bedroom where you can place your king and queen size bed along with the side table. And in this bedroom also you will get full French windows with a balcony. Over here you have wardrobe space provided that you can customize by your choice, and beside it we have the attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3 BHK tour of Ritz Life. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. And also, I would like to ask you one question. You have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Ritz Life by Vikas Developers located in Kalyan.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.